1989, as a wildlife photographer that came from Israel to the great America, I realized that nobody can remove the urine odor completely permanently. Since I cannot make a living by taking pictures, I decide to work in the carpet cleaning industry. And I realize that no one, the yellow truck, the black truck, any carpet cleaner cannot remove the urine odor without covering the odor with a deodorizer. So I decide this is a great invention. And this is going to be my business here in America. So I open a company by the name PetPeePee, because the service that I'm going to deliver is pet pee-pee removal. This name is, you will remember it forever. And I start working. I construct the XPET machine. I have a cleaning product from Israel, from the Dead Sea. Then it's odor-free. And I'm on my way to a machine, a system to clean Oriental rug. Guarantee no scrubber or any machine on the Oriental rug in the cleaning process. Special cleaning product and gentle touch. And the review on Angie's List on Google reward me with the 5-star reviews all the way. I guarantee in writing the removal of the urine odor completely. Take a look how the machine shows me. In the beginning, it's a yellow mustard color. And more the cleaning process progress, the tube become clear and clear till the same water coming from the top, the same water going to the sewage. I finished the cleaning process. The lady from Texas, Arizona, California, Colorado, it doesn't matter. You're welcome to go on your knees and put your nose whatever you want on the clean Oriental rug. Guarantee cat urine odor removal completely, and dog. And I guarantee you will never smell deodorizer or enzyme cleaning process in my cleaning process. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee. The only one guarantee urine odor removal naturally without color run. Thank you for watching.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.